Configuring Venmo security is essential to protect your financial information and prevent unauthorized transactions. To start, open the Venmo app and navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. From the Settings menu, select Security to access various options that help you secure your account. The first step is to set up a strong PIN, which will be required to confirm transactions and access sensitive information. Choose a PIN that is unique and not easily guessable by others. Next, enable two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code sent to your phone or email. In addition to your password, this feature prevents others from accessing your account even if they know your password. Another crucial step is to monitor your account activity regularly. Venmo allows you to receive notifications for every transaction, which helps you detect any suspicious activity promptly. You can also set up notifications for large or suspicious transactions, giving you greater control over your account security. To further enhance security, make sure your email and phone number associated with Venmo are up to date. This ensures that you receive important security notifications and can recover your account if it is compromised. Additionally, be cautious when using Venmo in public or on public Wi-Fi networks, as these can be vulnerable to hacking. Consider using a virtual private network to encrypt your internet traffic and protect your data. Finally, familiarize yourself with Venmo's security features, such as the ability to freeze your account if you suspect it has been compromised. By following these steps and best practices, you can significantly improve the security of your Venmo account and protect your financial information.